700,000 bottles a day. That is not a marketing number. That is an industrial rhythm, where heat, vinegar, and time turn into one of the most recognizable hot sauces on earth. Welcome back to Factory Flow. Today we are going inside a Tabasco-style hot sauce production line to see how peppers become sauce at massive scale. From harvesting and grinding to fermentation, blending, bottling, and final packing. It all starts with peppers. Not just any peppers. Ripe, high, heat chilies selected for color, aroma, and consistency. In hot sauce production, pepper quality decides everything: the flavor, the heat level, and the final color in the bottle. Fresh peppers arrive, get washed, and move into sorting where damaged or underripe pieces are removed. Next is crushing and salting. The peppers are ground into a mash, skins, seeds, and all. Then mixed with salt. This mash is the foundation. It is raw heat with structure. And it is also the beginning of preservation. Once salted, the mash is sealed and sent to its most important stage: fermentation. Fermentation is where the sharp raw chili becomes something deeper. Lactic acid bacteria naturally shift the flavor, building that tangy complexity while lowering pH for stability. Temperature, time, and salt concentration are controlled, because if fermentation drifts, flavor drifts. This is the slow part of a fast factory, and it is where the sauce earns its signature character. When the mash is ready, the line becomes pure manufacturing. The fermented mash is blended and mixed with vinegar to create the final sauce profile. Some systems strain to remove larger solids. Others keep more texture depending on the recipe. Then the sauce is standardized. Viscosity, acidity, color, and heat are checked and adjusted so every bottle tastes the same as the last. Now watch the bottling line. This is where 700,000 bottles per day becomes real. Empty bottles feed in on conveyors, cleaned and aligned at high speed. Filling heads dispense precise volumes in a continuous flow. Caps are applied, sealed, and tightened with exact torque. Labels snap into position. Date codes and batch information are printed for traceability. And quality control never stops. Vision systems verify fill level, label placement, and cap integrity. Random samples are tested for acidity and flavor. Metal detection and line inspections help prevent contamination risks. Only after passing checks do bottles move into cartons, get stacked, wrapped, and prepared for shipping. That is the full industrial journey. Peppers to mash, mash to fermentation, fermentation to vinegar blending, then high speed filling, sealing, labeling, and packing. Hundreds of thousands of bottles every single day, with the same heat and the same bite. Now tell me in the comments, do you like hot sauce for heat, for flavor, or both? And what food would you pour this on first? If you enjoyed this behind the scenes tour on Factory Flow, hit like, subscribe, and tell me what factory process you want next.
And just like that, a few dashes of Tabasco instantly elevate the flavor of these tacos.